SERV Stock Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So Serve Robotics absolutely delivered and it's 30% up. This is how my chart looks like. In context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars in course mentorships, and have documented everything. Previously, I called this thing out, and now here with SERV absolutely delivered towards the highs. So it was a video made before 3rd of January, I believe. So here's the video, this video, 2 days ago, boom.
You know, so really depends.
That's how it looked like before. Boom. And as since it delivered, man, like the only thing that I can say is that right now it's just still such a bullish market for me. Although I would not just like randomly buy, I more so want to see a little retracements and then those double breaks. But I will have to wait since it just delivered towards the high. So yeah, ultimate target is definitely going to be this 2410, at least for right now. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.